Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Sudstainables brand, the laundry detergent sheets. These are 60 loads or 30 sheets. We're going to open them up. These are eco-friendly and you don't have to worry about waste, plastic-free, travel-friendly, and planet-friendly. Has ultra cleaning strength. So it just makes sense to have laundry detergent in this form when you think about the environment. You have a big plastic jug normally that sits in a landfill, probably doesn't get recycled most of the time. So this is highly efficient. You already have water coming into your house. There's no need to have hydrated laundry detergent ahead of time. So this company fully believes in that. And you can get different sizes. This is one of the smaller sizes. And they also have combination packages where you have fabric softener sheets, things of that nature. As you can see, it's ultra concentrated. These do dissolve really fast. The detergent is all embedded into the fibers, planet safe and no mess. They'll just essentially melt away right into your laundry. Let's take a look at the back right here. Let's open this up and let's see what they look like. This is a lavender scent. It smells amazing. Let's just take a look here. Wow, it's got a really nice smell to it. So there is what the sheet looks like. You can see it's got like little holes in there, almost like it's tiny Swiss cheese marks. But this is designed to react in water. And when you fold this, you can see you can rip this and you get one load out of it. That's how you're getting the 60 loads on there. So you could use just half of the sheet for a small load. It's a bigger load, you can use the full sheet. Real simple to use. I just love the concept of this, and this company believes in this concept, and they've been promoting it and producing really high quality products. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helps you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.